Hi, this is Dr. Gabriele Miotto, plastic surgeon specialized in aesthetic surgery, and I want to talk to you a little bit about a liquid rhinoplasty. A liquid rhinoplasty is also known as a non-surgical rhinoplasty, where instead of doing surgery on the nose, where we do modify the structures of the nose permanently, we, by injecting fillers in the nose, modify the nose temporarily and can change dramatically the shape of the nose almost if it were a surgical rhinoplasty. But it's temporary. It lasts for about 6 months to a year depending on the filler that is used. And it does require a certain amount of filler to achieve the results that we achieve in surgery. It's very hard to treat, for example, a septal deviation with that. Some modifications is possible to do, but for that kind of case, and when there are very intense features that needs to be changed, of course, a surgical rhinoplasty is the best. So who will benefit from a non-surgical rhinoplasty? Well, patients then don't want to have downtime because basically you have just a couple of days of swelling and maybe some bruising. It's nothing like a full rhinoplasty. Also, for patients that had rhinoplasties in the past and present with some mild irregularities, such as retraction of the ala or tip asymmetries or a little bit of irregularities on the dorsum, fillers are actually an excellent option to improve that quickly without having to go back to the operating room. Also, very important to know is that fillers in the nose are dangerous if done by injectors that really don't know much about surgical anatomy of the nose, because we have many blood vessels in the area and it is easier to inject into a blood vessel and cause deformity, skin loss, and other severe problems if the person injecting doesn't have experience and doesn't understand the surgical anatomy of the nose. So be careful when you choose the injector to do that procedure. But if you think you are a good candidate for that, or if you don't want to have a full surgical rhinoplasty and just a small modification of the nose would be enough, I think that's possible to do something very, very beautiful and temporary, and it can be repeated every year if needed. So if you think you're a good candidate for that or are interested in that, come to see me in the office. It will be a great pleasure to see you and evaluate the nose, see if you are a good candidate for the procedure, and then define together your goals so we can achieve a very nice result with a non-surgical rhinoplasty.